Set tough goals and do not stop until you go there. Bo Jackson. Hi guys, this is Sujata and you're watching Grammaring, English Grammar for ESL students. In today's class, we are going to discuss a proverb. As thick as thieves. As thick as thieves. In this lesson, we are going to discuss the meaning and the usage of the proverb as thick as thieves. Let's get into the lesson. Now, look at the meaning for the proverb as thick as thieves. It means to be very close friends and share secrets. It is said to be as thick as thieves. If two or more people are as thick as thieves, they are very friendly with each other. When people are as thick as thieves, they generally share confidences, spend a great deal of time together, and are great friends. In that case, you can describe them as thick as thieves. People who are as thick as thieves are very friendly with each other and spend a lot of time together talking about private things. They share their secret together. They discuss about their private things. It means they are very close friends. The proverb as thick as thieves means to be very close friends and share all your secrets. Now, we are going to use the proverb as thick as thieves in a sentence. Look at this sentence. We have known each other since the age of 7. We are as thick as thieves. It means we have known each other since the age of 7. So, we are very close friends. We share our secrets. We spend a lot of time. And the next example, he had worked for this company since the 1950s and they were as thick as thieves. And the last example, it's a conversation. Conversation between A and B. A, I think your kids have been getting up to trouble with one another. And B's answer, I agree, but they would never admit it to me. They are as thick as thieves. The kids are as thick as thieves means they are very close. So far in this class, we have discussed the proverb as thick as thieves, its meaning and the usage. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this video informative, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.